So a lot of times infrastructure varies so much, right? So you get into a customer and they might have collections of all that data, but they don't do nothing with it, right? Or the environment is so diverse where they don't know what they don't know. They don't know how to collect it. So how do you help your customers do that?
So that's part of our process, or part of our onboarding process is we ask for things like infrastructure diagrams. And guess what? Most of them don't have them, right? We get that. They're not up to date. I don't care. Give us something. A lot of the guys in our customers, we've been doing large scale networks for a very, very long time. So we understand how this stuff works. And so what we walk them through the process of tell me what you have. Tell me what you're thinking about getting. Tell me what's in your cloud. Are you using a Kubernetes cluster? Are you using just AWS? You have Azure. You have Azure AD. Whatever the case may be. Tell us about that strategy. And we design the sensor topology and the agent deployment for them. And we actually will help them do it. So we try to. Part of the problem. You're going to get me off on a tangent, but because I'm very opinionated. But part of the problem with current cybersecurity, defensive cybersecurity solutions is they're complex and they take a while and a lot of understanding to install. So that's going to get pushback not only from management, it's going to get pushback from the IT department too. IT guys are busy, right? They don't want to deal with that crap. So you have to take that barrier to entry. You have to make it as easy as possible for these guys to get your platform in. And we really try to do that. We really try to make it simple, try to take any complexity out. We work with them, on the phone, on Zoom, on whatever we have to do to help them get it installed. Because if it's too complex, they're going to put it off, and the more they put it off, the more risk they have. So that's part of what we do is design that for them, help them get it in, make that barrier to entry into our platform just like a slide. You just slide right in there, and we're off and running.